Samantala sa iba pang mga nagbabagang balita, musikero ng bayan na si Miguel Alejandro Tolentino nagpatugtog ng kantang Wonderful Tonight noong linggo. Pakinggan po natin ang musikero ng bayan na si Miguel Alejandro Tolentino sa kantang Wonderful Tonight. Pakinggan po natin.
It's late in the evening. Just wonder what clothes to wear. She's full on her makeup and brushing her long blonde hair. And then she asked me, "Do you look alright?" And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We'll go to her party, and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady and dancing around me. And then she asked me, "Do you feel alright?" And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see